Hi viewers, welcome to today's topic, something we call Frass. Frass is a byproduct of the BSF project, that's the black soldier fry. It follows the process of egg, pupa, larva, and then adult. So the fries lay the eggs, which hatched into maggots. Those maggots, you feed them on waste, and after feeding on the waste is what they produce their, you can call it their waste, called the frass. Now this amazing product called frass has various properties, and today we focus on some of the characteristics of frass. Now, the frass that you see here, if you just try to feed it, number one, it's very fine in nature. Number two, it is also used as a fertilizer. Yeah, it just functions like the fertilizer we use or we buy for our plants, the chemical fertilizers we buy in the agrovet. And the most amazing thing is that this one is very organic, as you can see. The other thing is that it is odorless. The reason why I say it's an amazing product, it is that because of its smell, being odorless, meaning it has no smell, is because the process you feed the waste, which is market waste, it has a stench. It smells very bad. But after feeding the larvae, they produce their byproducts, like the way we say human waste. After they digest that waste and they give this byproduct, you feed out, it is odorless, it has no smell. It's a very good way of controlling our environment, especially where there is a lot of release of methane when the biodegradable products are rotting. This frass is used as fertilizers. These are very good NPK. Very good NPK. And for you, before you use it in your farm, you decompose it for 1 month. And after decomposition for 1 month, you give your crops, and your crops will do pretty fine. So this frass also can be used to make foliar. Now the foliar you make will be very rich in both macro and micronutrients. Now somebody can ask, why is it rich in both micro and macronutrients? Because of the waste you're feeding. Remember, if you're feeding rotten fruits, you're feeding rotten potatoes, you're feeding the vegetable waste, those leaves, they have the micro and macronutrients. So when they are broken down, this frass will contain those nutrients, and therefore when you use it in your farm, you just use a handful of this. You don't put it in excess like the organic manure because of the scorching effect. Water your plants after applying the frass, just like the way you do fertilizer. Remember, this one is an organic fertilizer, so it just operates like the fertilizer. The inorganic fertilizers you buy, the DAK, the NPK that you buy from the agrovet. So make sure when you apply the frass, water your plants, so that it also helps in the absorption of the nutrients, because it's fully decomposed and it's fully broken down. The roots will take the nutrients immediately. So that's why you need to water your frass. So that's some of the properties of the frass, and I hope you have learned something today. See you next time in our next video. For those who have not subscribed, touch that subscribe button, and see you next time. Thank you.